from my haul for $68. Don't know if that is a good deal. I don't know. It seems like it. But anyways, yeah. So we're gonna go cook breakfast now. Going to Petco to get her nails did. She's running. Yep. Come on. Up. I was already hearing the dogs barking, so she got a little bit anxiety going on there. So we'll just go walk around for now to see. Look! Toys! Enjoys! Okay, come on, let's go look for some collagen. Okay, I'm busy in there. Okay. Alright, let's see. Hi! Hi, Lavelle! Okay. What you got? You smelling? What you smelling? I think she liked this one the last time, but no more the, yeah, made in Brazil. It doesn't have the one that is like a bully stick. I think she likes the one that tastes like the bully stick. Let's see, what is this? Lavelle stuff? No? Okay. So these are the kitty cats at Petco. Hi, sweetheart. And then you got this one. He looks very cute. 10 pounds. He's a big kitty cat. Let's go look over here. Oh, hi. That one's cute. You're cute. He's like, what's going on? What's going on? Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Look, the kitty cat. I mean, look at the doggy. That's all I have when you have those. Okay. Okay, come on. Sister got her nails done. She did really good. I couldn't video her because she was all the way in the corner. But she's happy now. The girl says she did very well. We're gonna go Ross's now. Alrighty guys, so I went to Target, picked this up, and took Navea to do her nails. We're gonna go and change my shower head today. Just because like when I wanna clean the shower, it's easier with the shower head that I'm gonna put on. And then when I take Nabia a shower, it's also better. It's like the handheld one. You can use. So we're gonna go and do that today. Okay, so what I got here is one of these, the handheld ones, and from Amazon again, of course. I'm getting lazier and lazier to go to the store. But if I wanted to buy this at the store, it would cost more than maybe $30 or $40. I'm not too sure how much. This was probably, I'm not quite sure. I gotta check. Okay, so we're gonna just do all this easy peasy kind of stuff. Okay, first we're gonna take that one out. Okay. I had to buy this. Okay, we're gonna see. Hang on. Okay. That was easy, right, with that stuff. Okay. So the first shower head, when I first moved in, it was really dirty. When I was showering, it's gross. Black stuff was falling on me, but it was the shower head. It wasn't something coming in from the pipe, I don't think. But anywho, it's okay. But they changed it, but now I'm changing it to the other one just because I have a pet. And yeah. It's really easy to do. Okay. I feel like this is not metal. Well, this is not metal, but I feel like this part is, but this one isn't. So we're gonna just put this around here. For it not to leak. Okay. So, and it has a little screen in there to catch any of the blocks. Nah, that's anything, I guess. I don't know. Okay. Okay. There. All right, so let's go and get the other stuff. Simple. This is simple. Okay. Okay, so and then it does cover this again. We're gonna go get this part. Okay, so I'm gonna screw in this part. So it does have that already. See, a lot of this is like plastic. but it still works. Back in the day, wasn't it more metal and stuff? That's why it's cheaper now. Okay, so we're gonna just try this. Okay, let me try this. Nice. And then it has one right here where it can shoot. So when I'm cleaning the tub, shoot like that. That's good. And it's longer than my other one. It can reach Nivea. Very good. It's not leaking either. So that's very good. Okay, we finished doing this DIY kind of stuff at home. Okay.